Inhale, up, exhale, left side, slowly bend your body down. The last one, inhale, up, exhale to the right side, grab your ankle, forehead touch your legs, and stay here another 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, up, exhale to the left side, stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow, high thigh in, tha, high thigh thang thigh sung. Exhale, slowly bend forward. Can I dog high thigh back side chap thigh or come dog high thigh thang thigh sung? If possible, then both hand back side come to Namaskar Mudra, or if you cannot, just slowly relax. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Lean up. Hit bow, center, thigh phi swung, thigh chai. Right hand down, left hand over your head. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side, down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right side, down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side, down. Inhale, center. Exhale to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, center. Exhale to the left side, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh, high chin, come swung. Both hands grab your big toes and try to chest chin down if possible. If you cannot, as much as possible, you can bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow, lean. Can I thigh phi, gup thigh swung outside? Yes, thigh chai lean. Right hand drop your elbow down outside of your knee and left hand over your head. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thigh chai chen phi, thang chen lin. Left hand grab your right ankle and right leg slowly straight up. 1. Feel the stretching. 2. Non-breathing. 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Sim, change your side. Inhale and exhale. Stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Thigh phi chen chai and hit violin. Inhale. Raise your left leg up. Stay. Focus on your hamstring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh back side. Interlock your finger. High thigh thang thigh lin. High thigh back side. Yeah, right, right. Thang thigh lin. Come swung. Raise your both hands up and chest chin down as much as possible you can. Very good. Relax yourself. 1. Try. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Relax. Cycling. Legs together. Come to cat pose. Meow. Now cat to cow breathing. Inhale, look up, chin up. Dowlen mak nillen. Exhale, sick bomb. Suck your stomach. Try to look your navel. Inhale, up, slowly. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up, hold the breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, slowly, slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow, chan phai, tai chai. Right leg and left hand together, up. Exhale, knee to nose. Shh. Down, swung. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Slowly, slowly come down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Highland more. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. And the last one, inhale, up, stay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tai Chi Chan Phai, left hand back, grab your ankle, right leg straight up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Sim, Doi Chan, change your leg. Inhale, left leg up and right hand together. Exhale, shh, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Last 2 times. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. The last one, inhale, up, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Now slowly, slowly, right hand, back side. Grab your ankle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aim back. Come to child pose. Relax your back, relax your shoulder, relax your whole body. Relax couple of breath. Inhale, exhale. Now 3 times cobra and child. Hit bow, lean. Slowly, slowly cobra posture. Inhale up. Try to relax your back. Exhale, come to child pose. Aim back. Highland more. Hit bow, lean. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Slowly, slowly come to child pose. The last one, hit bow, lean, cobra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Downward dog, Mamlenda swung. Now slowly relax your spine, relax your whole body. 1 by 1, heel up, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit bow, chan phai, lean, right leg straight up. Tha, lean choke, exhale, slowly bend forward. Goi swung, high thigh lean, raise your both hands up. Come to Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chap thigh, swipe 5. Namaste. And twist your spine to the right side. Tai Chi swung, thigh phi lean. Drop your left one outside of your foot. And inhale, right hand straight up. Can I dog high thigh or come dog? Just land. If possible, then interlock your finger. If you cannot, then just try to maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh swung. Chan phai rasao. Right leg back. To plank pose, body should be straight, one line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knees. Go swung. Come swung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Downward Dog. Again, one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hit bow, chin chai, left leg straight up. Chin chai lane, choke left leg front in between your palm. Go swung. Sim, high thigh lane, come to Anjani Asana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chap thigh, Namaste. Again, twist your spine. Kanai dok, thigh phi gap thigh, thigh chai back side. High thigh interlock your finger. Or kham dok, thigh phi swung, thigh chai lin. If possible, then try. If you cannot, thigh phi swung, thigh chai lin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. High thigh swung. Chan chai rasa, left leg back. Plank pose, body should be straight, one line. Swipe phi, right side, thigh phi lean, right hand straight up, side plank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sim, change your side. Swipe chai, left side. Again, left hand up, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop your knees, go swung, come swung. Come to Ashtanga. Inhale, Cobra, look up, chin up. Exhale, aim back, child pose. Just try to relax your back. Relax.